Flask to spin up a web server and a database model. I've actually used the whole Flask daemon setup to create yet really simple little scripts, but I've also used that basic pattern of a command line driver with a full-fledged SQL Alchemy database lurking behind it. And again, I'll use Flask daemon to do that because it merely simplifies the interfaces and the process and the extensions and importing the database models and setting up the namespaces in a predictable way. It does all of that for free, such that I actually don't care if Flask happens to be a WSGI environment, an HTTP server. I'm actually using it as just this really general purpose application framework. And I even consider the web part to be decomposable and extractable from the whole rest of the application platform. So what I'm saying is I don't even always write web apps with Flask anymore. There's a way of using the Flask application context to script an app that does not actually need to be running in conjunction with a WSGI server. It's an incredibly powerful pattern. And it's another thing that I would never do with a thing like Django. That is, it's very heavy, and when you start up a Django process, it's not that easy to slice out different pieces of the core. But with Flask, pretty much nothing is included in the core to begin with.
Yeah, even Flask itself is made up of like a number of building blocks that are put together, like It's Dangerous and Vexig and those sorts of things, right?
That's right. You mentioned It's Dangerous, and one of the things that is kind of nice about folding in something like It's Dangerous using something like Flask daemon is that by default it's just folded in a way that is going to work. So the pathway there is through Flask security, and Flask security will sanitize all your inputs with It's Dangerous and perform all of the cross-site scripting protections, and so it's there. You know it's there, and that your input will be sanitized. And frankly, if you don't want it, you don't have to have it. You can also get rid of all that.